All right, so welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digumore here, and like I promised to be revising the 2025 WAEC examination questions, we are looking at the theory part currently. All right, we have solved the first question in the last class, and you need to check out that first question. And we are looking at the second question. The second question here says the product of the ages of Adu and Tanko is 9 less than Akofa's age. If Tanko is 4 years older than Adu and Akofa's age is 6 times Tanko's age, find Akofa's age. Okay, you have a variety of choices to make as per where you or how you will start solving these questions, and I'm going to try to see if I can be able to use the little time we have to solve this question in two ways. Okay, let's look at it like this. Now, if I start like this and start looking at where I am going to lay hands on as a student in an examination hall, where I'm going to lay hands on to start solving these questions, you will realize a statement that says Akofa's age is 6 times Tanko's age. Okay, and if you take a step backward, you say if Tanko is 4 years older than Adu, is Tanko is 4 years older than Adu. So 4 years older than Adu. At that moment, I may begin to give some description. I may say, let Adu's age be X or Y. Then when I have given that description, the next thing I will do is that I will now say Tanko's age will be Adu's age plus 4. Because they say Tanko is 4 years older than Adu. So Tanko, whatever variable I have chosen to describe Adu's age, I will not add 4 to it. But you now realize that they said Akofa's age is 6 times 6 times Tanko's age. that is mathematics, you know. You just have to be very, very critical in thinking and analytical for you to be able to make a lot sense in this. So let me go this way. I say let uh, I am describing Adu. So let Adu's age be X. So, and having described that by the statement that says if Tanko is 4 years older than Adu, then means that I will say then Tanko, whatever name they call there, write it for them and do the mathematics that is in it. Then Tanko is X plus 4. We are making a step. We are making a step forward. Then we now say, and Akofa's age is 6 times Tanko's age. So I will come down again and say Akofa's age is 6 times 6 times Tanko's age. Whatever Tanko's age is, I will multiply it by 6. So that will be 6 bracket X plus 4. Did you see my way of heading into this? Yeah. Now you go back to the statement that says the product of the ages of Adu and Tanko, product. You see how the thing is going gradually. So you see product, the product of Adu's age and Tanko will then be X bracket X plus 4. But there is a statement that is made again here that product is 9 less than Akofa's age. Question, what is Akofa's age? Then Akofa's age is this. You can extend this thing to be 6x plus 24. Okay, when you open that bracket. So whatever this product is, it will be equals to Akofa's age 6x plus 24 minus 9, because the product of these people's age is 9 less than whatever this person's age is. Do you see the procedure? The product of these people's age is 9 less, meaning whatever this person's age is, remove 9 out of it. So I think we've gotten the mathematics around this. Okay, let me handle this first before we can take that alternative. Let's open this bracket to have x squared plus 4x equals to 6x plus 24 minus 9, 15. Yeah, remove 4 here, remove 4 here, remove 5 here, remove 5 here. Okay, 15. So we can collect the like terms and let me start doing something over here. This will become like x squared plus 4x minus 6x minus 15 equals to 0. All right. There is a little trouble. That little trouble, if you dare think that at this level you will continue with the factorization, grouping this one like this, grouping this one like this, I don't think it will. You have 4 here, you have 3 here, you have 2 and 3. No. So the best thing to do is take this thing down. So this will become x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. Then you can freely factorize. In factorizing, take the product of this. We're not teaching factorization now, we're done classes on that. So just watch what I'm going to do. Take the product of this and you have minus 15x squared. Get two factors of this, of which when added can give you this. That's 3 and 5. But how can we arrange 3 and 5 to give us minus 2? That will be plus 3 minus 5. So we have 3x minus 5x. So the sum of them, 2. Sum of the 2 will give us minus 2x, which is this. So I can bring this back and have x squared plus 3x. I hope it's not giving me back something that's similar to. Okay, let me move on. Minus 5x. Then bring down minus 15. 15. Okay, minus 15. Minus 15. So these two, let me take it over here, will be x squared plus let me start grouping instead of doing this I want to do now. So this 2 is going to give me x in bracket x plus 3. Then within here, the HCF is minus 5 and have x in bracket minus into minus. Okay, so here should be plus. So minus into plus will give me minus 15. So I'll have 3 here. So when you open this bracket, you return back to minus 15. So I have x. Okay, I have x minus 5 equals to 0, or x plus 3 equals to 0. So I have here x is equals to 5, or x is equals to minus 3. But because we are talking about somebody's age here, x cannot be negative. I just believe we will understand that because we are talking about somebody's age cannot be negative. So let's work with this and see what the information is going to help us to get. So if our dude's age is x, the question they asked us even is find Akofa's age. So what is Akofa's age? Akofa's age is 6 times x. Akofa's age is 6 times 5 plus 24. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 24. This will give us 54. But let's verify some things. Let's find out if Adu's age being 5, Adu age 5 years. Then Tanko is 5 plus 4, which is 9 years. that the product of their age is 9 less than this person's age. Let's verify. 5 times 9 is 45 years. Is 45 years 9 less than 54? Yes. Okay, so you can see how we handle this question. You can see how we handle this question. There is an alternative, but that alternative, because of time, will be in another class. Please subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and click on the notification button so that you can be able to follow us at any level where we are. Okay, there's an alternative. Trying to, if I make this person to be x, then this person will be x minus 4. Take the product and still do some reduction here of minus 9. You can still follow that and see what you can be able to obtain. So thank you so much for being there. Please like this video, like our classes, subscribe to the channel, and follow. We are having more questions in this theory part that I want to solve immediately after now, so you cannot afford to miss them. Thank you for being there.